Hey there, in this video, I'm going to share some upcoming releases that I'm really excited about. High Level, which is the platform that Thrive is built on, has a town hall every month, and they talk about features that are planned for the upcoming quarters and in the near future. So let's take a look and see what is in stock. So Social Planner is going to be coming to mobile. So if you use Social Planner, you'll be able to schedule your social posts directly from the Lead Connector app. So that is coming next month, and we're really looking forward to it. Next, we have our membership pages. So if you don't already use the community, or if you've not been in the community, if you're a current client, there's a link in the menu. And basically what is coming is membership pages. So in addition to the community, you'll have the option to use a membership page. So that's really if like you had like a back end area where you wanted to post newsletters or give them access to certain members only area, and you didn't want to use a community, you have the option to use a membership page. That's coming in Q3. Another thing that is really cool is you'll have the option to manage, or your members will have the option to manage their subscription. So if you charge on a monthly basis, yearly basis, so on and so forth, they'll be able to update their card information in the back end of the system too. So just like Wild Apricot, although a lot more user friendly. So that should definitely help with um, cards not being able to go through, because it's much easier to for the end user for the member to go back and update it themselves. RCS messaging, this is super cool. We're probably not familiar with this now because it hasn't really been supported with Apple, but Apple's coming out with it this fall. So basically, it is rich. It's rich text or it's like a rich experience for text messaging. So as you can see here, you'll have like a carousel. This isn't a text message, by the way. So this is coming directly to Thrive. So you'll be able to send out like a carousel of photos, anything it would operate almost more of like an online experience. So that's going to be coming probably at the end of the fall. I'm super excited by that. And I mean, it's going to be huge, because I don't know that any other membership type of platforms that will have this. So really, really looking forward to that. And okay, so we have the multiple payment options. So if you didn't already know, you can use your phone to pay without any equipment added onto it. But if you had like an iPad or um, yeah, I guess it would just be for iPads or other tablets. They don't have that NFC thing, because if you have Apple Pay, you go to the store, you double click to pay. You can also take payments that way as well. But if you had an iPad, they aren't used. They don't have that infrastructure, so you would need a card reader. That's also available for purchase. So in-person events, if you use a an iPad to check people in or take payments, it's good to have that mobile reader as well. Okay, and lastly, I'm super excited for this. So again, if you haven't used the community, go look in the menu. There's a custom menu item there where you can see community or collab. Um, Super excited for this. You can be able to message people just like you would on Facebook. So I know in our community, we don't have people don't have face. There's a few. We have an older community, so they don't have Facebook. This is going to be super exciting. So anyway, that's coming Q3 as well. I'm really looking forward to this. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to drop my link down below, and we'll talk to you soon.